am Dipali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do makeup in just 5 or 7 minutes. And if you are a college going or office going girl, then you can absolutely carry this makeup look, what I'm gonna do right here. So if you want to learn that makeup, then stay tuned. So first of all, I'm gonna use this moisturizer by Biotic Nectar Morning. मॉर्निंग से याद आया कि मॉर्निंग के 4 o'clock हो रहे हैं एंड आई एम डूइंग माई मेकअप फॉर यू गाइज. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस मॉर्निंग नेक्टर मॉइस्चराइजर बाय बायोटिक और इसको अपने फेस और नेक पर अच्छे से अप्लाई करना. And for my face, I'm gonna use this Pond's BB cream in today's video. And now I'm blending it with using my fingers. Done. And for covering my dark circles, I am using another application of it, a little bit over here. You can use any BB cream, but Pond's BB cream is my favorite because its texture is so smooth. That's why I use this most of the time. I also tried Garnier and all, but I love this most. So you can try it. And for setting this, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Ears पर भी करना so that पूरा even लगे. Okay, it's done. And then for my eyes, I'm gonna use these two things. First one is Kajal by Oriflame and second one is mascara by Iconic. So starting with the Kajal, I'm just putting it in my waterline, in the lower and upper both. Then थोड़ा सा मैंने एक्स्ट्रा काजल अप्लाई किया and then I'm taking this small brush just to smudge it. Okay, it's done. And then I'm gonna apply this mascara by Lakme Iconic. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. I'm filling them naturally. And for my blush, I'm taking this pink color. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this lip balm by Blue Heaven in pink shade. This is a very pretty light pink shade, so I think this is fine for formal way. So it's done, guys. It was my easy makeup tutorial for college or office going girls. So I hope you guys understood that I can carry this makeup look with open hair and ponytail as well. And I can also carry it with this one. So if you are a girl who wears specs, can absolutely carry this makeup look. This is my ring light. So of course in college or your office you are not gonna have this ring light in front of your eyes, so you can absolutely wear this as specs. So I hope guys आपको मेरा ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल अच्छा लगा हो, और अगर अच्छा लगे तो then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon, और अगर ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे तो इसको like करना भी ना भूलें. So I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And she got this jumpsuit I think for 350 or 400 something. I don't know the exact price of it.